Siya rin nag-suggest.
Sir, may ilaw po ba kayo?
Egove.
Ano yung pwede magpapakila?
Sir, extra pa yun. Kaya nga.
Punta tayo doon sa kuan.
Right out one, guys. Bus.
Ang gas ba yun?
Yay. Kay
Oh, pwede man.
kuan man ta guys, propeller. Let's go. Let's go, let's go.
Nasa may dito na side lang.
Yay. Tara
North
guys.
Korea.
Yes.
Ha? Apply ko sila sa kit.
Let's go.
Cebu Korea.
Yeah.
Sanay na ako.
Mo gana gyud ta pero. Let's go guys.
May love day. May love. Wala ako pinakalas. First time na ako pinakalas.
Oh, ito ang pinakala.
Guys, first time na ako guys. Ako yung pinakalas mo tungtong sa aeroplano.
Thank you, Lord.
Pinakalas.
Boarding pass. Okay po, that's on your right.
Process all tanks. Same experience. Expected turbulence 35. We will update.
Not smoking flight, smoking, vaping, or use of electronic cigarettes is not allowed. Please be reminded that power banks and spare batteries are now prohibited inside the overhead storage bin. If you have these items, please keep them personally, or you may put them in the seat pockets or under the seat in front of you at all times. Please wait for the announcement before charging your portable electronic devices such as cell phones and laptops. Please notify the cabin crew if you notice any abnormality or signs of watch eyes and cross the passenger seat top when you get together. The Titan will send out the strap. This is until buckle and pull. But fasten the stop of buckle, pull 3 and 3. If you are within infant, fasten your seat top and wrap your arms around your infant's waist. Your life has are found under your seat. On a water landing, remove sharp objects from your body. Slip bend over your head. Take tape around your waist. Push and pull back. Full waist tape to tighten. advancing in a few minutes. Please make sure that your seatbelts are securely fastened. Cabin crew landing station.
Guys, nag-turn around ta guys. Kay kusog kay ang hangin. Tora, Basco Lighthouse. Basco Lighthouse guys. Turn around ta guys, turn around. Turn around kay kusog kay ang hangin. Tura Batan Island. Turn around, turn around. Missed approach ta guys, turn around sakay. Kusog ang hangin. So guys, ang nahitabo kay missed approach because kusog kaayo ang hangin during the approach. So, ang gihimo sa pilots kay kuan sila, nag-turn kay para better ang approach kay kusog kay ang hangin guys. Yeah, so land na unta to like dool na gyud ta sa Basco Airport but kay gali kusog kay ang hangin. Need mang good pod nga nice good ang conditions for the approach. So yeah, pero in fairness to the pilots for making that decision very very fast. So yeah, look at this guys, turning. Oh, Tora, oh, that's Batan Island. Yeah, I think Mount Iraya. So yeah, praying nice ra ang approach sa second try in landing guys. Hopefully nice na ang landing. Let's go. Yes Lord, magkaroon ng landing. Guys, update kanang naka 2 tries mano nga magland pero kanang tungod sa wind conditions guys kusog yung kaayo ang wind, so mauto gi-abort sa pilot ang pagland sa second time around and naka-decide siya nga magbalik ta sa Clark.
We will be landing back in Clark due to unfavorable weather.
So balik ta sa Clark guys.
Understanding. We will keep you advised. Thank you.
So guys, balik ta sa Clark. At least ang important good no kay safety. safe. Kay if gipush man gud to ni captain nga magland nga unfavorable gid ang wind, lisod pod simbako basin ma-overshoot sa pagland ana bitaw. So safety is of primary importance gyud. So yeah, I think burnt toast theory. Siya guys. So kanang let's follow kung unsa gyud ang will ni Lord nga basin dili pa gyud at that moment nga maka ato gyud ta og Batanes, basin tomorrow pohon or kung unsa man galing kay mag-assist man ang staff sa Clark regarding sa contingency accommodation, transport. So yeah, let's hope for the best. No? What can you say, Renbert? What was your experience?
So sad. But
But
at the same
maybe-
time, I'm grateful. Yeah. Excited pa naman may guys sa video. But na-reason ang tanan.
Yeah, true.
Basta safety gyapon guys. Kusugid kayo ang hangin guys eh.
No?
Kaduwagin mi nagtuyo.
So, kaduha nag-try og land. Pero yeah. So, understandable ra. Update lang ta guys. So yeah, babalik na ta sa kuan Northern Luzon, mainland. Na-expect gali ko guys na sa Lawag ta magland kay ang Lawag ang kinakaduol. Lawag sa Ilocos Norte ba? Oh, but balik man sa Clark. Yeah. Sa Lawag. Mm.